Elon Musk recently revealed a new airplane idea proposed by Tesla, and we must say the design is fantastic. The creative minds at Tesla, who are known for their cars, are now aiming to venture into the world of jets. Musk, a visionary, always strives for more and refuses to settle for mediocrity. His impressive track record speaks for itself. At Tesla, they don't settle for the ordinary. They strive for greatness, thinking big in everything they do. Let's take a look at this game changer for the aviation industry. Welcome to EV Digest. Elon Musk recently talked about expanding Tesla's business beyond electric cars and trucks. He wants to create an electric plane that can go really fast, but it won't be like regular planes. These planes will be able to take off and land straight up and down, kind of like a helicopter. Once in the air, they will use batteries to go really fast, even faster than 768 miles per hour. Musk has been talking about making an electric plane for a while now, and he's not just all talk. He first shared the idea in 2009 and said it's becoming more possible as battery technology gets better. Elon Musk is a rich boss in the tech industry, so money's not a problem for him. He is the CEO of two successful companies, SpaceX and Tesla. He also owns other companies like The Boring Company, Neuralink, and OpenAI. Besides being a busy businessman, he is also a father of 6 children. However, what prevents him from developing the next generation airplane is the amount of work he already has. In 2021, Musk tweeted, "I'm so dying to do a supersonic VTOL electric jet, but I already have way too much on my plate. Any more work and my brain will explode." When asked about the VTOL electric aircraft, he mentioned that he is already busy enough. Musk admitted that building a prototype for the VTOL electric aircraft would be quite easy, but producing it in large quantities with high reliability, low cost, and meeting all the regulations would be 100 times more difficult. He shared that he has discussed this idea with some of his friends. During an interview on the Joe Rogan podcast, he talked about the exciting aspect of an electric plane, which is the ability to fly at very high altitudes. He explained that you need a specific type of battery, with high energy density to overcome the force of gravity. He also mentioned that during the cruise, the energy consumption is very low, and you can regain a lot of energy when descending. This means you don't need extra fuel because the energy from the height can be used. Additionally, he pointed out that the higher you fly, the faster you can go using the same amount of energy. At certain altitudes, you can even achieve supersonic speeds with less energy per mile compared to an aircraft flying at 35,000 feet. From these statements, it's clear that Musk has carefully considered the project and its challenges. Musk also talked about his new interest in a new Tesla model called the Model V. The Model V is an electric concept that can take off and land vertically, like a helicopter. When you see its design, it kinda looks like a flying saucer. An industrial designer named Tom Abbott Davis from the United Kingdom created the design. And when Musk saw it, he thought it looked really cool. The Model V's design is not based on a flying saucer though. It actually looks more like a manta ray and can carry more than one passenger. It has been carefully designed with attention to detail. The aircraft has special titanium turbine blades that allow it to fly up and down, and a rear fan that can move to help it fly forward. To make sure it stays stable while flying, it has a gyroscope system. The Model V has 3 motors powered by lithium-ion batteries, one big motor with 1,250 kilowatts of power, and 2 smaller motors with 650 kilowatts each, all connected to rotor blades. This setup is important for the distributed electric propulsion needed for flight. Even if one part of the aircraft stops working, it can still land safely. The Model V also has retractable landing gear hidden under its carbon fiber body on the outside. The aircraft's shell is made of titanium, and its fuselage is made of magnesium. Inside, it has a large canopy that can be adjusted to fit 2 people comfortably. Abbott Davis began drawing the initial sketches for the Tesla Model V by hand in 2014. He was studying at Stowe School while doing his undergraduate degree at Loughborough University. In the 2017 school year, he used a 3D computer program called SolidWorks to finalize the design and a program called Keyshot to create realistic images of the design. In 2019, Abbott Davis completed his studies at the university. His dream was to do an internship at Tesla, so he included his Model V design in his internship application. Unfortunately, he didn't get an internship at Tesla. Instead, he looked for a job as an industrial designer at a company that manufactures electric vertical takeoff and landing, or hybrid electric VTOL aircraft. It's important to mention that there are other companies that are also interested in creating electric airplanes. Back in 2017, Aviation introduced us to their prototype called Alice, and it caught even more attention than Tesla. Alice was the very first fully electric airplane designed for commercial use. It had the ability to fly up to 600 miles and accommodate around 9 passengers. These impressive features made Alice a viable option for certain regional airlines operating short-distance flights. Aviation made the decision to begin manufacturing the aircraft, although the range was slightly reduced. Nevertheless, it still remained suitable for various routes. Aviation plans to conduct a debut flight, but the certification process for Alice will take some time, and it's not expected to enter commercial service until 2025. Of course, this is assuming no other company beats them to the finish line. Sikorsky, a company owned by Lockheed Martin, is also interested in developing an electric aircraft. This well-respected company is known for creating some of America's most successful helicopter designs. They have taken on the challenge of building all-electric helicopters for research purposes. One of their creations is the Firefly, based on the Sikorsky 300C helicopter. They replaced its traditional engines with an electric motor and lithium-ion battery packs. The Firefly proudly holds the title of being the world's first fully electric helicopter. However, it's important to note that the helicopter is still in its early stages of development. Currently, it can only fly the pilot for a short duration of around 12 to 15 minutes at a speed of 92 miles per hour. In the event that the battery loses power, the helicopter's blades can still rotate automatically. This allows the pilot to safely land in an open area. Tesla is known for constantly working on new projects, and now, of course, they are even considering building a helicopter. Antonio Paglia, the designer, believes that a Tesla helicopter is a possibility in the future. This concept embodies the core values of Tesla as a company. Just like their supersonic electric VTOL aircraft, Tesla is not in a rush to develop electric helicopters at the moment. Antonio believes that Tesla will focus on creating a helicopter when they have advanced battery technology that can efficiently power flying machines. The key aspect of designing future aircraft is to achieve high efficiency and speed. Antonio thinks that the Tesla helicopter will do important jobs like keeping things safe and patrolling. This would be great for safety and patrol departments because it would make air and ground patrol easier, cheaper, and better. Compared to regular helicopters, the Tesla helicopter has 5 rotor blades instead of 3 or 2. These blades help the helicopter go up and down smoothly, without a lot of shaking. The Tesla helicopter looks like it has a skeleton on the outside, which helps it stay steady. It also has 2 small fins on the sides that do the same thing. These fins are like the ones on regular airplanes, but they're much smaller. Moreover, the design includes a fully enclosed cockpit. We're not sure if this was unintentional on the designer's part, but we believe Tesla would be interested in adding a feature to switch a cover or shield over the cockpit. This would enable the pilot to switch between a clear view and a video-connected view. Such a feature would be beneficial when flying in challenging weather conditions, such as snowstorms, sandstorms, or heavy rain. Would you be interested in owning your own private electric aircraft? Additionally, what are your thoughts on the growing advancements and potential of electric aircraft technology? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, if you're a biker or you just love motorcycles, click this video right here. Thanks!